Diving deep into verbs, regular versus irregular. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to another video in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are going to uncover the magic of verbs. More specifically, we'll delve into the crucial difference between regular and irregular verbs. Let's crack the verb code together. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of regular and irregular verbs, let's have a quick recap. Verbs are the action words in a sentence. They tell us what's happening. For instance, in the sentence, she reads a book, reads, is the verb as it tells us the action taking place. Now that we're clear on what verbs are, let's talk about regular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs that follow a specific pattern when we change them into the past tense or the past participle. This pattern is pretty simple. We just add ed or d at the end of the base verb. For example, the verb walk becomes walked in the past tense. On the other hand, irregular verbs like to do things their own way. They don't follow the same ed or d rule when changing to the past tense or past participle. Each irregular verb has its own unique way of changing. For instance, go becomes went in the past tense, and be becomes was or were. You might be wondering, why does this matter? Knowing the difference between regular and irregular verbs is key to using English tenses correctly. Making mistakes with these can confuse your listeners or readers about when the action happened. So, mastering these verbs is a big step towards fluent English. And that's a wrap on regular and irregular verbs. We hope this video shed light on these two types of verbs and why it's so important to understand the difference. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to dive into exercises and practice using regular and irregular verbs. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Remember, the journey of language learning is an adventure, so embrace every step, even the irregular ones. See you next time, language explorers.